Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing quick fried rice. Very simple, very easy, no headaches at all. So basically what you're going to be needing are the ingredients that you are looking at right there. It's very simple. So as you can see right here, this is my meats that I already cooked, and this is the water underneath the meat right there. And next I have my seasonings right here. This is crushed pepper, and this is curry powder, paprika, garlic, Italian seasoning, parsley flakes, ginger, Maggi, one second, garlic powder, seasoned salt. Okay, and here I have my peppers and onions that I already cut. As you can see, they already been cut into pieces and everything else. My secret to my fried rice, you always have to have enough peppers and onions for the fried rice, basically. So you have to have enough. If you don't have enough, it's not gonna come out the way that I wanted it. So I'm gonna make sure, even if it's over, I want to have it with me handy, basically. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, already cut. This is red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and green peppers. Those are the 4 peppers that I have. Yeah, and then I have my onions like that. Don't it look so pretty? Yes. And I also have my brown rice. You can use any rice of your choice that you want to, but for today's fried rice, I'm gonna be using brown rice. So this brown rice is not going to be washed the way I'm gonna be doing my fried rice. Some of the fried rice, yes, but this particular fried rice, I'm not going to wash it. Okay, just in case someone have a question. Next I have my hot peppers right here. Okay, so now let's get everything going. As you can see, my pot is ready to go, and then I'm gonna put in my Maggi like that, and then I'm gonna make sure it dissolves before I add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so this is what I have left over. So I'm going to save this for something else, and while those cook. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients in here so everything can cook together. So the meat that I cooked, after this vegetables are cooked down a little bit, I'm actually going to fry the meat with the rest of the vegetables before I add the fried rice. Okay. That was the Maggi that I added. This is the garlic powder. This is the paprika. This is the curry powder. If you guys are not into curry, you need to, okay? You really need to. And this is the crushed peppers. Ginger. Little bit of Italian seasonings. Then parsley flakes. So I'm gonna mix all of this stuff together. And I'm gonna add Maggi as salt, seasoned salt, but not too much because it's already salt in the meat that I cooked previously. So now I'm gonna let this cook, and then come back. I will show you when I add the meats and also the rice, so everything can fry together. Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my meats to my sauce so that it can fry. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Let me give you guys a good, yeah, okay. So you can add any meats of your choice, but this is the meat of my choice that I'm adding. So you want to crank your stove a little bit so that this meat can actually fry before I add my brown rice into the mixture. So now I'm gonna cover, let it fry for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my rice, and I'm gonna patch it. You know, stir it, meaning stirring it until I get the desired texture that I'm looking for. But for right now, I'm just going to cover this up and let it do its thing. And yeah, okay, seasoning is perfect, everything is perfect. So I will come back when it's time for me to add the rice. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, this is how the meat is looking. So now I'm gonna put in my dry brown rice. I'm going to pour as I go on. So keep adding your rice until you don't see that much of a sauce, basically, until they get to the consistency that you would like your rice to be. You should know when it's enough. Yeah, we all know when it's enough, you know. So look at that, don't it look so good? So I actually gonna pour the whole entire rice. And then I'm gonna put the stove on a little bit high. And guys, when you're cooking fried rice, you don't need too much water. Steam usually cooks the rice. And what I'm doing, so it doesn't take too long for the rice to cook, because I'm actually cooking the rice by frying it into all of this mixture. So when you're ready to cook it, it doesn't stay long. Okay? So now I'm going to add my water that I use for my meats. So I'm gonna add that. You just want enough water that will cook the rice. Just enough. Okay? And occasionally you will check to see if you need to add. Make sure you mix it again so that the water can be even into the dry rice. Okay? So now I'm just gonna cover this rice and let it cook, and then I'll show you guys when it's all done. Hey guys, so now I am all done with this rice. As you can see, I'm gonna dish this rice now into this foil pan of mine. This is a rice that I'm taking for an occasion that I made it for. So I'm going to dish it all out and put it into the foil pan. But like I said, guys, look at this rice. Very, very good, y'all. Look at that fried rice. See that? The best fried rice in town, y'all. The best fried rice in town. Nice. Yes, guys, so I am all done. Yeah. You now have to leave some for the house now. Everything ain't gonna go. Okay, so I left some in the pot. Okay. So guys, that is it for that. Look at that. Look at that rice here. Look at that rice. Okay. So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but I am all dressed up with my outfit. Yes, I'm all dressed up with this whole entire outfit. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.